Hey, to personalize your quick setting styles on a Samsung Galaxy M15 5G, first of all you have to open this quick settings and then click on this icon. Next, you can edit this top shortcuts or full shortcuts. So you can decide what kind of the edit you want to make. In my case, it will be actually the full. And as you can see from this, first we can actually change position of any icons. Like for example, let's put mobile data. Okay, I just removed mobile data. So let's put, for example, the mobile hotspot between the sound and auto rotation. And now release. Let's remove one of the icon, for example, the do not disturb mode. So we have to just click on this minus. And now if you want to add another options, like for example, this quick music share button, you have to click and hold it and drag wherever you want, here, or for example, right here. And if you finish, you have to just click done, and that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel